Hi, my name is Andrew, and today I'm going to be building a Scarecrow. And if you guys remember from my pea short, I'm going to be planting some little peas with my sister Charlotte. Hi! And my sister Charlotte. Hi guys. She'll be helping. Yeah! Okay, so guys, we're making a Scarecrow because we want to keep critters out of our garden. Right, Charlotte?
Yep.
Yes! Yeah, because we have neighbors who just let their cats roam around, and we gotta make a better fence. That's why we're gonna make a Scarecrow to scale some crows, even though that there's no squirrels.
No crows.
Yeah, totally. Okay, so first we gotta lay it out. Take the other arm. Nice.
Before we make the actual Scarecrow, we have to lay it out so we know what it's going to look like and how it's going to fit and stuff.
2 hours later.
Let's go, Andrew!
Here's your hay.
Good job, buddy. We're going to give him a nice little bow, because everyone deserves to be pretty.
Totally.
Ta-da!
Hi.
Step 2, stuff them.
All done.
Ow!
Oh man.
Okay, let's get some in the sleeves here, people. Oh, guys, look. Honestly, why can't I not just be a human Scarecrow? Yeah. I need more hair over here, Paulson. We're gonna turn him into Shrek.
Oh.
Well, I'm just ripping off the pieces.
This man did not skip Sunday.
Is this the picture of what bites of you? Am I gonna get a bite surprise? Ah, it bit me. Help me, Sean.
Looking pretty flat.
Let's give him a big old butt. Okay, now that just looks real. This guy wanna have some hands of hay. Like what? For a second I was like, hey, where's the mic? But then I was like, oh, I have the mic. So guys, this guy's pretty good and chunky. And now we're just gonna give him his head. I just smacked myself. And the final touch. All done.
Gorgeous!
Nice square nose. I know that's a triangle nose. She has like 3,000 lines on his face. There you go. Now.
Good.
Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like when it's all done. This
What
is
do
the
you think?
front. This is the front. This is the back. I put that bandana in.
And comment down below if you have any ideas on what we should name him.
Yeah, well, I want to name him Bobby.
I want to name him Timmy, but you guys can pick whatever name you think fits this jolly old scarecrow.
Okay, guys, so thanks for watching us making a scarecrow, right?
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and tell your friends.
Bye.
Bye.